Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly Forex. Oh, it's wrong camera. Welcome to this weekly trade ideas, monthly trade ideas. I think we're going to plan for September, talk about September. What do we expect for September? Today is September, so we have a whole month of trading. So cool, amazing. We have people coming in, so that's cool. You don't need to be DJ today, apparently. Hi, Said. Hi, Martin. What about pound? You got the strength. Oi, oi. Wally. Hi, Moses. New logo. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to change this one. I would change the one above my head, but yeah. Amazing people. So cool. Let's go. My name is MINDBLOWING, Forex trader, economist, trying to help you out to become a better Forex trader and trying to make you not lose money. Okay, isn't that a good deal? Please, you're still on a buy on XRP, USD and gold. Should I close then? Hi, Peter Garland. We shall go through everything one by one. Is the music too high? Just tell me. Because I have my own music on my ears and then I have whatever you guys are saying, so what I'm saying and my music. So cool, just tell me. So what is your plan, people? It's too lit. It's too lit, like it's fine. Like what do people do? Like it's too amazing. Music is good. Okay, I'll take it down then. Okay. Okay. So what do you want to see? What do you want to do? What do we do with Drunken Sailor? So first of all, we have monthly trade plans for Aussie dollar. Okay. So what do Aussie dollar want to do? For the monthly, they want to sell here as a seller, but you have buy zones down here at 73 and you have a buy zone down at 72.20. But given all those shenanigans, taking down. Okay, cool. We are aggressively bullish. So far, we're aggressively bullish. So far, we're aggressively bullish. Okay. So as long as we are aggressively bullish, we're aggressively bullish. What does that mean? That means that Moses asks if I do offer any courses. I can find another one. That one. Anyways, just trying to creep that a little bit down. Yeah, so I think we are actually going to hit some targets at some point, but I also think that we are. What do I think? So I have plan A. Plan A for September is, first of all, USD falling. So Aussie is going to go up. That's what I plan. The other thing is, where do I then, what do I do? So I also think that we are plan A, we are being aggressive. Sorry. So aggressive is plan A. This is aggressive, okay? This is how aggressive it looks like. And then the other one, plan B, is being conservative. What is conservative? Buying at 73. Was that the central? Yeah. So either buying up here or buying up here. So that's plan A and that's plan B. And then for each time you still have 50 pips stop loss at any given time. And as long as you are in an uptrend, you are buying. Is this going to turn around? I'm a bit surprised by this fall. We did start off quite aggressively, but we have now come down to M3. As long as we are holding M3, this line here, we are still going higher. What does that mean? That means if it holds 73.60, we are still rising. And the monthly target is 75.50. So that is 280 pips from now. Okay? Is that all cool? Does anyone like that plan? 180 pips up. We have Moses joining Ivy Beetle FX. Cool. Amazing. Welcome to the clan. Cool. So that is what I plan. So how do you take that into trading? Okay. I just said I want buy support and buy down at 73. Okay. So if price comes down here, I would either have just an order, or I would wait for a double bottom, higher low on a 15 minutes time frame. That all depends on how fast the market goes down and how fast it kind of turns around. Because if it just falls, cool, I can take that. But if it slowly comes down, that means sellers are selling it. I don't like that. Hi, Bzingawa. Hi. Okay. Do we all agree on that? Do we all see that? Do we all believe in that as a good plan? Cool. Then, next plan. Euro dollar. Oh, something has happened since the last point. Okay. What is this then? What is this? What are you showing me? No. We already took profit on euro this week. Boom. What is it, Tuesday morning, and we already take profit? What is going on? I told you guys on Sunday. What? I will have this as a thumbnail. We're already in profit, people. Yeah, you did ask me about how to interpret the COT. I will do that, but I think it's going to be a bit in the end. So what is that, you ask? Should we try that to be a buy? Should we buy it? Should we like go live and buy that thing? Should we buy it? I'm still in a trade. Do I need to get out or keep it in jail? Well, I think actually not without my own consent. I actually took profit in that one, and that bugs the shitless out of my brain. But okay, let's go to euro dollar, euro dollar, and then $50, $100, $10. What's your stop loss, mates? So if it's a 1910, then 1850. Is that a good buy? Should we wait for it to come down? So already doing that, and then daily. Do I like the new low? Meh. Anyways, that happened. Yeah, I don't know. I just set it at 1988. I don't know why I did it. It wasn't on purpose, Wally. So yeah. Already 8 pips in profit. Oh no, it's not 8 pips. It's fractions. Cool. Don't do this. Well, let's do the monthly first. Okay, let's go monthly. So if you are a monthly trader, what do you want to see? What do you want to do? So if you're a monthly trader, you're like, cool, I want to sell it up here. Sounds like a good idea. The other problem about this, if that's a problem, is that we are continuously in an uptrend. And that is still not the place to sell. Do you have a reversal pattern here? Yeah, you have a reversal, but you don't have a pullback. So if you want to sell it, I wouldn't, to be honest. But yeah, it's totally up to you. Enjoy. But I wouldn't sell it here because we're still in an uptrend. But if you did that, sure. So as a buyer, what do? You have a couple of options. I would say you have option A, which is just follow the trend up here, coming back to support. Or you wait down at 1850, which I talked about on Sunday, give or take, and then take it up again. My entry is 1790. Yeah, it's still safe, by the way. Still safe. Paula Closet FR asks, can we buy now or sell Euro USD? Okay. I just said, literally, this is my opinion, not investment advice. You can sell Euro USD right now if you want to. I am not going to stop you. But I would like to say that we are in an uptrend. Uptrend. That means for me, and then that is maybe the retest. But the thing is that we are making higher highs, and if you want to sell that, enjoy. But okay. The other question is you need to have a retest if you want to sell it, and you haven't got that yet. Okay, so for buyers, as we are buyers, we're looking into 1850 and only 1850. Okay, cool. Enjoy. But yeah, we already took profit for the week, so that makes it a bit vulnerable, but I think we're going to go back up again. All right, cool. Cool, you. Awesome. Yeah. What else? What was the target? 122? Yeah. No, you don't have anything to lose yet, Wally. But yeah. Anyways, we all make mistakes, I guess. Pound dollar in a different shade of something. Just take that away. We are... I think I had a live earlier today where I said if you buy here, you have stop loss here. If you buy here, you have stop loss here. If you buy here, you have stop loss here. If you buy here, you have stop loss here. If you buy here, you might have stop loss here. This is coming back to support, so that sounds like a good idea, by the way. But has it taken profit for the week already? No, it hasn't. So, cool. Just a pullback then. So, for me, what is the target for pound dollar? Interestingly, pound. Can we just go price action? Purely price action? Can we like say, what's that? 35? That's a bit low. So if it breaks 35, give or take, then it's on far to 36. Okay. Coming into resistance. On a daily, you say, oh, that is a pin bar. Well, if you still get pin bars, you still move higher. Can we like say 135.50 just for fun? And then see where it goes? That maybe we're already there. No, we didn't. 135.50. I think that's maybe too close. Probably. But okay. That's that. Goldie! Gold diggers! Struggling at the moment. Bear in mind... Okay, so what I wanted to tell you guys... I told my... Maybe I forgot to tell that to my traders. Is that September is likely to be skyrocketing and then skyfalling. So there's two ways. There's just skyrocketing, then target, and then could be 618 or 100% retracement. So even though if we come in hot and ready and able for September, if we hit before 15th, we might fall. So just have that in mind. Okay, cool. Ask about COT. So I'm just going to give a small COT report answer. So COT is commitment of traders report. It is gathered information every... You guys don't hear any music. Oh wait, I wasn't even in the... COT is commitment of trades report. That means hedge funds positions. Okay, so it's taken away everything else. It's just those positions. So those who has anything to do in the market to try to move the market for profits. So it's not retail traders, it's not businesses that's just there to hedge their positions, and it's not, yeah, so it's not hedging. So it's only hedge funds positions. Funds. Or whatever large corporations that want to make a profit in the Forex market. Okay? So it's every Tuesday they report their positions, and every Friday it comes out for us. Okay, every Friday. So then you would like to want to see a trend. Do you have more buyers? Do you have more sellers? Or are they TP? What do they do? Okay. Comment of traders report, COT. So this is like, what does the banks do? Chicago, euro. So here's the euro. So what you want to look at is maybe we should do the other one, but okay, cool. Change. Okay, so here sellers short non-commercial took profit, meaning euro strength. And also more euro traders came in to buy. So that is 13,000 more contracts. Okay, and out of those contracts, you have to divide that by the total amount. And if it's about 5%, it's significant. Well, I would at least take notice of it. Okay. So if you feel like, well, if you see that's above 5%, yes. And then we have week after week after week increased more and more euro traders, and that I take in the euro buyers. So I take that into account for more EU buyers, meaning euro up, but also on the same time there is more sellers on dollar. So euro dollar is really amazing thing to trade up. That's how I use the COT report. And how do you read it? You have to look at long positions, short positions, and the changes in them, and then you would see a trend over time. Does it go up? Does it go sideways, or does it go down? So you have to do some calculation crunching. But yeah, there is websites and stuff that portrays that in a better way than I did. Okay. Gold next move. I don't know where gold is going. I'm just generally speaking thinking of it going higher. And if that makes gold fall now, okay, sorry. But it should hold that one, by the way. It should have held that one. Didn't. Maybe they want to attract more buyers before coming in. But if you are a buyer, what do you want to do? Well, you want to buy here. So 1970 sounds like a good deal, by the way. And if not, 1950 sounds like a good deal. And that's plan A and plan B. Yeah, I have a different, different, what do you call it, ways of portraying it, and I just don't want to share it to you guys because it's not my showcase. I have a different way of showcasing it, the COT report. I just don't want to show it to you because it's not my work. I don't have the permit to show it. But I want you to know about it, and I tell you every Saturday on those videos on dollar how it goes on dollar, yen, euro, pound, New Zealand, Aussie, CAD, oil. I normally do that. Gold. So you do get the information about that. So, yeah. Cool. It's not determining because it's in the past, but it just explained to me like what happened here. That is just TP. It's not sellers. It is only buyers TP. That is important because that means buyers will pick it up later on. That's why I'm still a buyer. Not only that, because it's still a bullish market. Because we have not made a new lower low. Right? Okay, master, just guide us on trade. That's cool. Cool. So, where's the target, mates? 21, 23, 25, give or take. Cool. Let's continue. Why is gold a downward move? I have not said it's a downward move. I wouldn't say it's a downward move. Why does it fall today, you mean? Well, if it falls the first day of September, it falls, but all the 30, 29 days it goes in green. Does that one day matter? Does that matter? This one red day, but 29 green days. I don't really care that dollar gets strong today because I think we're still in a bullish move. This is just attracting more buyers. And if we do fail, I fail, my trading account fails, we have stop losses. So I'm not worried. Alright. I would just be more pumped. This is good. This is positive. It's like I'm sitting, my heart is joyful. So cool. Silver. Ouch. Ooh, nice, delicious. This one is definitely buyers. This broke, so it's no longer anything to do here. Then just make it a support and then go higher. Cool. Oh yeah. What's the target, you might say? 32. Continue buying until 32. Of course, it can fall, it can rise, and everything in between that, but just make sure that you're always in the bullish trend, and you buy the dips, and then you have stop losses, and you're cool. But this is a very risky asset. Silver is a very risky asset. But yeah. Cool. Let me just move the camera a bit. Cool. I am about to go to pound yen. No worries, mate. Don't. So we have now. I think this is maybe take profit for this month. I think that's why maybe, but we should hold that as support. So yeah. Other than that, yeah, cool. No music? I can hear music. Like, what's wrong? I'm listening to my own music at least. Okay. So now, took it up for you. So for me, as a pound dollar, well, we are very, very bullish at the moment. We are aggressively bullish. Market is aggressively bullish, so don't worry, people. And potential target is potentially 144, 145. But it seems to me we are going hot and fast into this area. But I don't know if this is really they want to take profit. Is this where you want to go in? Okay, that's the top from 2020 back in February, so that is significant. That completes this move. So hot and fast down and then slowly back up again. But okay, we still have 300 pips for that, or 200 pips for that, 200 to 300 pips for that. How are you guys feeling it right now? Is this a good one or is it just a bad one? Just boring you. Boring. Just David. Yes and no. So let me do a different way then. Economic numbers is in the past. Okay, economic numbers is in the past, but the stock market is in the future. So the stock market and Forex is, I guess, a year ahead. So they are thinking of what profits that you might have in the future. Okay. Do you want to hear what I want to have to say about NFP, ADP, okay. So my strategy, I'm never going to tell you my strategy really, but my strategy is actually not to trade NFP. But let's do it that way. If NFP weak means early profits. Okay, when is early profits? That is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They take profit those days. Friday, no. They're already out of the market by Friday. There's nobody that is enable sensible buying on Friday. Do you know what Friday then will do? So this will go up, 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 and then Friday comes because it took profit here, maybe, for example. And that it can fall far. So what do you really want to do on Friday is not really trading at all, because it can go both ways, and it's not really repeatable processes again and again and again that is having the same outcome each time. But I've just told you my opinion is we might hit profit early, we might go fast into NFP and then fall. Okay? But don't you want to take the rise instead of the fall? Or you can do both. But isn't the rise much more fun? Having more pips and then taking a risky pips instead on Friday? What if it just goes up again? Sorry, but I don't trade it. I don't want you to trade it. And for those who have sold NFP to you, coming from brokers that just want you to trade, they made a hype about it because then they make money from you. They take away money from you as brokers or people who is incentivized to tell you to trade. But have you seen or heard about a professional trader trading NFP? Are you going to be here for the next 10, 20 years trading NFP, trading once a month, where the outcome is not necessarily the same every time. Sorry, boys. Cool. I will leave it at that. So for me, pound yen is rising up to 144 and 145. And girls. New Zealand dollar isn't really rising as much as I would like to, but cool. But what I really want to do and really want to see is price coming down to support. I would love price to be down here, but I know after trading too bullish markets, I just know this is just going to rise. This is not going to wait for my entries and just going to do that. It just, and then until it just skyrockets and then it falls. And then it can go all the way down, back down again. Okay? So be worried about that. That's what you should worry about. That fall is what you should be worried about. And those entries should be easy peasy for you. But let's say we're going up to 69.50. It's like a turtle. Do you know what, Abbas? Sometimes turtle is so much better because it still gives you profit. I love turtles. I don't really like what do you call it, rabbits, because it goes too fast. Okay. So what is the outcome I want you guys to have from this trading? I can just say, just take it to 70. That sounds like a good plan. Okay. How? Okay, price will rise. Okay. In a very bullish market, you are likely to get burned, but support can help you. Okay, if this support doesn't hold, which other support is going to hold? This one. So this is plan A, this is plan B. How do you enter the market? It's really up to you. I can't really do that for you. Okay, I really want you guys to be confident in what you do. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But if this one fall down to plan B, yeah, but that's why you have a stop loss, and then you buy it back up again. But as my community of my mentorship students, we have a reason, we have a method, at least I think I have a method of how to enter again. Oh, this is interesting. This, I like that. Oh, nice. Is it already back? Oh, it's almost. Okay, cool. I like this. Okay, price coming back up to the resistance. Sounds like a good deal to me for selling it here. But if not, selling it up here at 132, 131, 131.70. Okay, so plan A and plan B. Hi, short funds. How are you? Nice to see you. Nice to have you back. Is there somebody who doesn't know my story? Like who I am, where I come from, what I do, what I don't do, how I trade, what I don't trade? Like, can you say I don't know you? And then I can give you a quick, small introduction. How's our euro trade going? Oh, okay, cool. Tell us. I just wanted to say, I'm your student, Said. Yeah, I know. I know you, Said. What have I tried? I have tried so many things in my life that you won't even believe it. I started out as binary trader. No, bot trader and binary trader. I lost to both. So if you want to trade binary, good luck. Have fun with that. But I don't. I hate that. I lost a lot of money. Cool. Moved on. And then I started with bots. I lost a lot there. I think I lost like $250 within the night. It was just doing automatic trade at night when I was asleep and I couldn't do anything, and then just lost a lot of money. Like the minimum trade was $50 and it just lost it in one night. So I've been trading for 7 years on myself, on my own. And last year I came out of my shell. I came on YouTube in October last year. So it's almost a year now of YouTube. And I started out with 33 subscribers. Right now, I'm here to try to help you becoming a better trader. And I am actually just going to say, I'm not here to sell you anything, even though I have courses. I have mentorship, I have tech and concepts course. But that's not why we're here. I'm here to help you and give you knowledge and trying to make you avoid you from avenues I took and doesn't work. Okay? So people tell me that my strategy is simple. Thank you for that. But I've just tried so many different things. I've tried ISI, Bollinger Bands, MACD, stochastic, moving averages, breakout strategy, candlestick strategy, all those random things that I'd never understood. But I just was left with one market analysis. I stopped at double bottoms and higher highs. I love buying here. 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 I then use the trend, and I love uptrends because that just makes my account grow so much. And then I want you to use 1% risk. Not only because it's a little less risk, but I want you to trade for the next 20 years with me. Okay? Then, is this a top? Not necessarily. Yes, but I think we're going to rise above, come back down, and continue up to at least 80. Potentially also 80-50. Does that sound like a good deal for you? Please pound yen. I've already done pound yen short funds. I told you that the purchase price is back down at 140.50. So yeah, cool. Enjoy. Up here is too high. Well, okay, cool. You can say that's support, but then your stop loss should be below here. Enjoy. So for me as a trader, what do I want to see? I want to see market behave in a specific way. I go around and say, okay, As we are rising, I will buy bottoms. As long as we don't make a new lower low, I will continue to buy lows. What is then a new lower low? That is if breaking that, for example. And here doesn't necessarily make a new low, but at least on the 1 hour, that would be a downtrend. But it didn't break this one, so technically it can still go higher, and it did. But once I have a bearish trend formed, I am not even going to consider it. I'm just going to wait patiently for my new higher high, pull back and buy. Okay, price coming down, coming up, going down. Oh, check profit. Okay. I love that. Okay. So for Euro Yen, which has been requested for, that's why I'm doing it for you. We can look into 128.60, 15, 128.50. So as long as we're still holding this at support, this is resistance. Cool. No worries, buddies. And as long as we're still above 125, which is 120 pips from here, we're still cool. Okay. New Zealand yen. New Zealand and yen. Look at that uptrend. Doesn't that look enticing? Until it breaks 71.20, it's still going higher. And you're still allowed to buy. What's your targets? Back up to 73.50. Okay. Isn't that a like, people? Doesn't that give me any likes for that? All those targets I'm giving you, all those profits I'm giving you, your dollar has already hit profit target for this week. And we are most likely tomorrow going to hit more profit targets. And by Friday, we're going to make profit targets on all dollar pairs. Use Jen, don't care. Look at us, it's Swissy. Interesting. Can't Swissy. Oh! Ouch! Ouch! Oh! Charlie! That really hurts. I didn't try this one, but already. Okay, cool. XRP USD. Why am I looking at Ripple today? I'm not a Ripple guy, so sorry. Okay, so it's a bullish uptrend, has come down, it's going higher. Okay, it's going higher. This is bullish. That's everything I'm going to tell about that. If you sold it, not my problem. New Zealand Swissy. Oh, cool. Okay, yeah. Maybe I should have bought that today. Short funds. I just talked lengthily about pound yen. Like, do you guys not see what I see, or what's going on? Like, did I miss something? USD CAD. Okay. Range bound or higher. Okay. Aussie New Zealand. Seems to me like I have made that fall. Cool. So the next one I wanted to do was, okay, so generally speaking, I want USD to fall, yen to fall, and then the rest to go higher. Rest to rise. So that means euro dollar up, Aussie dollar up, New Zealand dollar up, and yeah, Aussie dollar up, Aussie yen up, CAD yen up, euro yen up. That's what I'm looking for. I'm just giving the prices of what I look at, plan A and plan B. It doesn't entice me, this market here. Hi Tarek. I made good pips in gold from seeing your last video. Thanks. You're welcome. It's currency down, but yen pairs up. So when I say yen down, that means yen pairs up, because yen is on that side. So when that goes weaker, this thing goes higher. Okay. But yeah, pound Aussie, nah. Maybe that was a sell. I don't really care too much. Seems to me about it to be the sell, but that's the buy again, so I don't like that. Pound CAD seems to be going higher. So when was it a buy? Here and then that. Friday and then higher. Okay. I'm not really investing in this one. Should I be invested? Should I invest you guys in it? Not really. But we can set a target at 77. But okay, cool. Pound New Zealand. Yeah, and that's what I'm thinking as well about short funds, generally speaking. But I have said it wants to come. I want it to come down a bit, or yeah. So that could be the sell. Also, the price up here could be the sell. But since it's pound, I think this is going to go higher. It should have been higher today. But okay, cool. So you can do anything at all. Look at New Zealand CAD, people. No, NASDAQ. Going higher. The only thing you do is buy there. I was live earlier today. Didn't you know what I did then? I said earlier today, this morning, I was live. And I said on that candle there specifically, I think this is going to go higher. That 10 a.m. candle for me. So we did go higher. Boom, people. Cool. So have you guys given this a like or something? Like, we have 23 viewers and 14 likes. And I literally today give you profits. Okay. Like if you just watched my video this morning, if you just literally just watched this morning, that's 28 pips in profit. But it's not an investment advice, I know. So no worries, don't be sad about it. but I don't give trading advice. So, but I do my own advice, by the way. So if you guys like profits, seeing profit coming in, seeing other people like succeeding, I want you to succeed as well. Cheers, mates. Okay, we've got one extra like on this live. On the basis of me telling you that we just made profit today. Cool. Then what else? Gold. Okay, support. If it breaks here, okay, then it will go down to 1940. Was it 45? No, it wasn't that. It was a weekly. Yeah, I didn't like more than 1945, 1950, 1945 anyways. But yeah, okay, cool. So here you have gold, people, and I have been here for 1 hour. Cool. Hi, Abraham. Cool. You will succeed. Like now, pips. Well, yeah, cool. Abraham says, I hedged pound cat. I don't like hedging. I really don't like hedging. Hi, Sani. You can't spell my name. E-I-V-I... E-I-V-I-N-D. Thank you. Where do you see gold going? How much up or down? Generally right now we might starting up an uptrend at the moment. But I'm thinking for the next 3 years maybe. But yeah. I'm glad, Ibrahim. But I don't like you to hedge. Because that means that you don't really know how to really trade. Okay, well, I just don't hedge because it only costs me more than just taking stop loss and leave it. But yes, you can enjoy. I wouldn't promote it. It depends on the reason, but your reason is to make profit. People that hedge have the ability to hedge to not lose money. Okay, so Sani, have you now made yourself a reason? Have you made up your mind how to spell my name? Thank you. But how much would it go up or down? I think it's going to go to 3,000, by the way, within the next 2 years. And if that is not cool, saying that's going to go up like 1,000,000 pips more. I don't know what else intrigues you. Do I need to tickle your feet? Cool. So, what's the recap, people? I have been here for 59 minutes, believe it or not. Do you see an uptrend in USD CAD? No, Sean, I do not see an uptrend in USD CAD, and I would be very shocked to see an uptrend in USD CAD. So, did we make profit by sitting here, or did we lose money by sitting here? I think I lost money by sitting here. Anyways, doesn't matter. This is my first day on any live session in YouTube, and I've been watching many videos about Forex. And you're simply best. Oh, thank you. You know, Tariq, my pleasure. You're simply the best, and I talk so much again in my equity from your analysis. Simply, I want to thank you. Well, Tariq, you're very much welcome. And for all of those, the people that asks me sometimes, they're like, hey, Ben, you are giving people so many ideas and all those profits on YouTube for free, but nobody gives you back 10% of that. Well, that's up to you guys, but you're actually able to do that through this live, to give something back to this live, to make me coming back. It's not that money is intriguing me to be here. I want to be here, but appreciation is always welcomed. That's the only thing I'm going to say about that. And then you can become a YouTube member of my channel. That's all. But yes, I don't know how many pips I've given you. I think I've given you, what was it, yesterday or today? I counted 1,000 pips just in USD CAD. Yeah, that was maybe on Sunday. Here, here, here. 3 trades, 1,000 pips altogether, just by watching and seeing and doing what I tell you to do. So enjoy. I hope you and your family and yourself are good and your account is even better. But seriously, you rank one of the best and you still do this to help people. God bless you, Evan. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for gold. Really, from when I start follow him and I stop looking at other analyses. Thank you, Abbas. I just compare his to mine and just do it. Obringaba asks, do you still think USD CAD can hit the downward target this week? Yes, I still believe that. The only thing is, oil is falling. So is this a change? Is this year going to be like, oh crap? I don't know. But we still have plenty of pips left and still be bearish. I think I've said 131.60, which is at least 70 pips away, and still be bearish. So we have all the time in the world to hit this target this week. If not this week, next week. Do you feel prepared for September? I said hot and fast in the beginning, hit TP, and then fall down again. We can still have a major pullback before rising, but we are generally going to be dollar weak and yen weak. And let's see what happens after that. And TP early because of an NFP this week. Okay, people. 17 likes today out of 23 viewings. Cool. I would take that home with me. I started trading last month and I lost almost 30% of the equity, but thanks to you, I got back 10% as soon as I overall. Would love to give you a thank you, deserve it. Thank you. We are live DFI, but I'm really on the last string now. As long as Trump there is, because, well, if Trump was really the reason why we would go down, I don't know if we will really go down, but so anything else DFI, or have to go back through all the video? Oh, forgot that you're New Zealand. Look at me. Thank you for coming back, Wally. Okay. The bullish trend. So what did I say yesterday? Did I say this is bearish and then we will continue to fall most likely? Did I say that? And that you needed a reversal before buying? Yeah, I think so. So my analysis was correct. We were too bearish. But now you need a new higher high before buying. So everything is okay. You don't really like this low here on that candle, but maybe you should then look into the next target. Yeah, it seems like the buy zones are here, by the way. And it failed the buy zones. Okay, well, doesn't seem like it's going to go up today. I put $1 million in gold and silver a little while ago. Am I stupid? Depends on which price and if you did take profit. What's your trading plan, Wally, for your New Zealand? Like, are you selling now? Are you buying now? What are you doing? Like stocks pumping. Yeah, it's true. It's true. So yeah. It depends if your 1 million is your life savings and your grandma's savings and all your heritage. Should be selling, mate. Well, enjoy your profits, mate. Then I'm not going to look for buys then. Do you think it's going to down? Yeah, I think it's very promising. If you go down to daily. Why am I so far away? So yeah. Cool. Enjoy your sell, mate. 1740 back down to 1740. Is that 100% retracement? Sounds like 100% retracement. So 74. It was the plan Sunday and Saturday with you. Well, I apparently can't remember from here to yesterday apparently. How can I join member only? What's the procedure? Tariq, for YouTube or for my mentorship? For YouTube, it's like, what is it, $14 a month? $15 a month? It's down in this corner here. Down in the corner. Let me just find that thing there. Not the emoji, but the $sign. And then you get super sticker, super chat, or become a member. It's in the region. Yeah, sounds like cool. Went a bit higher than I wanted on daily, but still. Survive the sell. Yeah, okay, I will do that. I will. I just blocked out. I just faded out when you guys talked about your New Zealand because you guys could help from each other. So I just let you guys use your fantastic brains to come up with a better plan. Wally is Walter. Yes. He is your Wally guy. welcome to, and then TDF is Teddy, and then Saeed is Saeed. Amir's like, oh, there's another guy talking about Euro New Zealand. Like, what is going on? Like, is there somebody else than me that can do Euro New Zealand? Yeah, you're not. Okay. Sounds like a good trade plan, by the way. Good. Sounds like a good trade plan, though. Sounds like a good trade plan, by the way. Sounds like a good trade plan, by the way. Okay. So I just wait for price to come back up to sell price and then sell down again. Around 1050, 1057, 1058. Short version, are you take profit? No, we're buying in. Well, I don't know, I'm not buying in yet, but I would like to buy in. I don't know why I'm thinking about. Okay, the other thing, people, some of you need to go into your private, like into your Google account on YouTube, and then you have to allow fast transaction, rapid transaction on your billing or payment side. Somebody was not able to do that. Some of them, my YouTube member, and then they changed that, and then they are able to pay. So you need to go to your YouTube, and then the icon, then to your profile, and then find billing, and then allow rapid payment or something. But okay. But if not, it's I haven't been allowed. If not, it's I will be able to add PayPal. But yeah. Cool. I think you guys hacked my account now. Enjoy. I don't like it anymore. It's too much trash in that account. Like, don't you guys get bothered about all those spam emails you get sometimes? I just need to unsubscribe. So yeah, in this place here, Wally says €1. Boom! Look at that. A coffee, Wally, is €4. No, it's not €4, it's €3. So I still need to. I think I need to sell some. Like in Norway, you get paid when you return plastic bottles, like soda and beer cans. So I need to scramble some beer cans and some soda bottles, and then I can pay for my coffee. But yeah, thank you, Wally. I love that. Any packages found in your doorstep? Well, I don't know. I have to ask people if they actually send people. Like I was promised different things actually, people. I just need to ask the delivery guy if he has seen anything coming. But yeah. So yeah. I think we guys can take it from here and leave it at night. Take something tomorrow. Oh yeah, you're a cat. I think it was just somewhere in between. Depends if you're a buyer or seller. Maybe it's a bearish still. But yeah. not a bullish example of greatness, but if it does go higher, I think you then can take it back like that more than anything else. And that was the sell. And then that's the sell if it doesn't work out. So yeah, continue down to 53, 53.40 or 59. Yeah, no chocolates a day yet, but I'm really waiting for it so I can get fat. But okay, guys, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for joining in today. I really love I would buy chocolate for that, Wally. 19 likes, awesome. See you guys in the Discord. If you want to get my help, Discord in the description below. Okay, and we will have more fun. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for coming. We will see each other tomorrow.